Hello kids! Today we want to coloring this unicorn with each other. Do you like unicorn? It's so beautiful. I like it very much. Let's do it with each other. At first I'm using pink color for this flower. Repeat after me. Pink color. Please subscribe us. Paint carefully with me. You're so great. Kids, which color do you like for the second flower? What about blue color? Do you like it? Repeat after me. Blue color. I want to color in the last flower with purple color. Purple is so beautiful. Do you like it? I like it very much. Orange color. Repeat after me. Orange color. Now I want to coloring the horn. Which color is the best for that? Do you know? That's right. Yellow color is the best color for the horn. Green color. I want to coloring the leaves with the green color. Now I want to coloring the ears. Which color do you like for that? What about red color? Do you like it? Finished! You're so great! Thank you for watching me. If you like our video, please subscribe us. Bye-bye! Draw and learn! Oh, look at this beautiful cake! It's like a unicorn! Hello, kids! Today we want to draw a unicorn cake with each other. Let's go! Do you like to have cake? It's so delicious! Draw with me, kids! I'm sure you can do it very well! I'm drawing 2 ears for our unicorn. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. Let's draw eyes. Oh, hello unicorn. Let's draw in some flowers. Now I want to draw some hearts here. Two big hearts. So awesome! Keep going, kids! Okay, let's coloring our cake with each other. Let's using pink color. Do you like it? Pink color is so beautiful. Yellow color, so shiny. Let's using blue color for her. And now I'm using purple color. Red color. Okay, let's coloring the cake so colorful, key. Don't forget to subscribe as key. Beautiful heart. I like it. Oh, finish. That's so amazing, key. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.